Welcome to Concept. I am Hemant Desai. I would like to give you some information about investment in Indian capital market. We all know and understand the significance of capital market. It channelizes savings of people into investment, and that investment helps economy to grow. In India, there are good corporates doing good performance and number of entrepreneurs doing good business. Indian capital market is very well structured. It is very well regulated. Financial resources are mobilized swiftly and deployed efficiently. There are two categories of investors, retail and institutional. There are domestic investors and foreign investors. When we consider foreign investors, again there are two categories, NRI QFI and FII. NRI are non-resident Indians, QFI qualified foreign investors. Foreign institutional investors are funds who are floated abroad and registered in India with SEBI. As regard to non-resident Indians, they are the people who are either have Indian passport or of Indian origin staying outside India. In addition to NRI, last year a new category of qualified foreign investor has been introduced. In this new category of QFI, foreign citizens and foreign companies can also invest in Indian capital market. This category of QFI cover foreign individuals, associations, groups and residents of other countries. It covers most of the nations including USA, UK, UAE and Africa. Both NRI and QFI can invest directly in Indian equities, Indian debt, Indian mutual fund and across all type of instruments of the capital market. When you invest in Indian capital market, you know it well that there are enough provisions of investor protections. Capital market is very well regulated by Securities and Exchange Board of India. There is a total transparency of dealings. There are enough provisions of trade payment guarantee by stock exchanges. There are stringent norms for intermediaries. So, the way it has been structured, there is no way investors can be cheated. So, come to India, invest in Indian capital market and reap the fruits of Indian economy growing very well in next few decades. Thank you.